So today I will test our Labrador puppy Einstein. Here he is. He's now 5 months, not yet 5 months, but soon. And I will let him for 10 minutes alone in our home and we'll see what he does. I have some of his favorite treats here. Tasty beef. And he already can't wait for it, you see. And I have 1, 2, 3, 4 cameras here, and we will see what will happen. You already ate? Einstein! Einstein! You good boy? You good boy? Come! You good boy? Have you been a good boy? Huh? You've been waiting for me? Did you eat all the treats? Oh, there's one left on the piano. Come, I will give it to you. Here. Good boy. Good boy. Yes, good boy. So if you think he is a good boy and did a great job for 5 months, he's just 5 months, right? Einstein, come. Say everyone, give me a thumbs up. give me a thumbs up, subscribe, like this video, share it. Foto? Sehr gut. Andere Foto? Super. Peng. Okay, say goodbye for today. Foto. Cute boy, cute boy, cute boy, cute boy, cute boy. Goodbye.